Here's how to fix your mouse cursor jumping or moving on its own on Windows 11. The first thing that you need to do is search for mouse settings on your Windows search bar. Once you find it, just click on it and it should pull up this window right here. Once you're in this window, just look for additional mouse settings. Once you find it, just click on it and it should pull up this small window right here where we can fix the problems of our mouse. First thing that you need to do is go to pointer options up top and uncheck this box where it says hide pointer while typing. Make sure this other box where it says automatically move pointer to the default button in a dialog box is unchecked too. Once you're done, just click OK and that should fix your mouse problems. Now here in the mouse settings, there is also an option to change your mouse pointer speed. Maybe you have a problem where your mouse is too slow or too fast, you can adjust it here. The normal pointer speed for a mouse is 10, so you should always keep it there, but if you prefer it fast or slow, that's okay too. Now if these solutions still did not work, maybe your mouse has a problem with its drive. To fix this, right click this PC on your desktop, go to show more options, and click manage. It should pull up this window right here where you will go to device manager and search for mice and other pointing devices. Once you find it, just click on it to drop it down, and here's one of the drivers. Just right click it and select uninstall device. So what we're doing here is we're uninstalling a faulty driver. Now once you uninstall this driver, your mouse may not work, so you need to restart your device. To restart your device, just click Alt F4 multiple times until your device restarts. Now once your device restarts, what it should do is it should install a new driver for your mouse, the latest version, so it can work properly. Now that's how you fix a mouse cursor jumping or moving on its own in Windows 11.